Little Dragon versus Big Dog. I think Dragon's gonna win because he has fire breathing. He is just biting. So, let's see who wins. Let's see who wins. Let's see who wins this. And the winner is him. He's the winner. Yeah, the winner is him. Let's go. Let's go, guys. He's the winner.